Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol GST. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Absolutely monster move today from not only a price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume, and by far the biggest volume this chart has had for quite a while. So definitely quite a few eyeballs on this one. So let's get some levels of support mapped out. Then we can talk areas of resistance. The first level of support is what I would call the ideal level. When you say, hey Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? And that would be if the price can stay up above the dollar mark here. Now, don't get me wrong. If the price falls below a dollar, by no means am I saying the entire chart's ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price can manage to somehow stay up above it, that would definitely be a huge sign of power on the bull's part. Next level of support after that, down there at the 93-cent mark. So near term, dollar, 93 cents. Taking a step back, though, and looking at the big picture of things. So this definitely assumes that you care more so about a kind of a broader viewpoint on everything. But if you do, then the very easy way to kind of measure the current price movement in terms of its health, in terms of its strength, is to use that purple line there, which is the purple, or which is the 50-period simple moving average. Keyword there being moving. So as time goes by, that purple line is going to move itself higher and higher. So again, from a big picture perspective, how do you gauge the health of things? Well, simply put, as long as the price stays above that purple line, then the bulls are in full health. The bulls are in full control, full strength. However you can best visualize that, no questions asked. What about potential areas of resistance? If this upwards move is going to continue, where are some possible battlegrounds at? For this, going to have to scrunch up the chart. We might have to even go to another time frame because I don't think the price has been up this high. So I realize it's getting hard to see, but this is definitely a good problem to have. So yeah, let's do this. We're just going to go to another time frame. Again, hassle here, but definitely a good problem to have. So let's zoom back in. I've done this one before, but we'll get rid of these lines down here so we don't have too much clutter and confusion everywhere. So yeah, the price has not been up this high for a very, very long time. And right now, the key level that it's doing battle with is that pink line right there. That is the 200-day simple moving average. If the price can push through there, the next key overall area right up there at about $1.15. All in all, though, as long as the price keeps on building higher bases like it's been doing, that's the name of the game. So we'll see how this one closes out the week tomorrow. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.